This is the car wash. We're gonna knock it down, build some beautiful apartments. It's too bad. This was a nice place. 19 years ago they built it. All the vacuum cleaners are running right now because I checked them. Working good. They're just tearing this place up. East Colfax, Denver, Colorado. They got in here, took all the money, what was left. Tried to pry this out of the wall, but I got it bolted inside. Ha, too bad. They ain't getting no money. And today I got a ticket from the city to clean it up, pull the weeds, and clean up the mess. Thanks for watching.